Understanding Footer CTA, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a term that you might come across in the world of websites and digital marketing, Footer CTA. If you're curious about what this phrase means and why it's important, you're in the right place. Stay with us as we break it down for you, and don't forget to highlight the important parts in your notes. The term Footer CTA stands for Footer Call to Action. Let's dissect this further. Footer. This is the bottom part of a website that you see when you scroll all the way down. It usually contains information like contact details, privacy policy, and links to important pages. Call to Action, CTA. This is a prompt on a website that tells the user to take some specified action, often with a button or a link. For example, sign up now, learn more, or buy today. When combined, a Footer CTA is a prompt located at the bottom of a website, encouraging visitors to take an action before they leave the page. A Footer CTA is critical because it is often the last chance to engage with visitors. It can provide a clear direction for users on what to do next, help increase conversions, like newsletter sign-ups or sales, improve user experience by making navigation easier. Knowing about Footer CTAs can be incredibly useful, especially if you are interested in web design, marketing, or just understanding website layouts better. Let's look at some common examples of Footer CTAs. Subscribe to our newsletter for weekly updates. Follow us on social media. Contact us for a free consultation. Download our free ebook. Each of these serves a purpose and is strategically placed to catch your attention one last time before you leave the website. That's it for our look at Footer CTAs. Whether you're browsing a website or building one, knowing what a Footer CTA is and its purpose is incredibly valuable. We hope this video has been enlightening, and you now feel more confident in understanding this aspect of the English language. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.